Hi everyone. This short video is going to show you, if you haven't used Zoom before, how to sign up and download Zoom and create your own meeting. First, go to zoom.us and then go to sign up. It's free. Now, I've already signed up, so I'm not going to sign up here and I won't show you that part. So I will go to sign in. If you're signing up for the first time, do use your iCare email address because iCare may be using Zoom in the future and this will allow some continuity. Okay, I'm going to go to sign in. So I will sign in with my iCare email address. You can see at the top right you've got three choices: schedule a meeting, join a meeting, and host a meeting. Now, while they might seem similar, they're a little different. Schedule a meeting is scheduling a meeting in the future. Join a meeting is as a participant joining a pre-existing meeting, and host a meeting is to start an instant meeting. So the one that we want to do most of the time will be schedule a meeting for the future. So you can see that you've got a topic, you can put a time. Keep in mind, as you can see here, that the Zoom Basic plan, that's the free plan, has a 40-minute time limit with meetings with 3 or more participants. You can really only pick 45 minutes if you're on the basic plan. So scrolling down, you can see that the host can have the video on or off. I think it's a good idea to have the video on. And you can choose to have the participant with the video on or off, so on as in a meeting and off as in a webinar. You can also choose how you want the audio, computer audio, or both. Computer audio is sufficient. And finally, the options at the bottom, you have enable join before host, mute participants upon entry, enable waiting room. So if you have enabled join before host, then the participants can join before you. If you haven't enabled that, then you should enable a waiting room to provide participants with a place where they can wait before you start the meeting if you're late. Mute participants upon entry, that is if you're running a webinar and you wish to have the audio off for the participants. And finally, you can choose to record the meeting automatically on your local computer, so that's a very useful feature. Just going to select some of these. Okay, so then you get to the My Meeting section. This is the section where you distribute the meeting to others. So you can see that you have the choice of distributing it using Google Calendar, using Outlook Calendar, or using Yahoo Calendar. You can see that you have a specific meeting ID here, 574-678-532. So it's a 9-digit number, and you can share that 9-digit number with others in order to get them to join up. The other way that you can get guests to join is to copy the join URL. Just copy that and send it through via email. That is, if you don't wish to use the calendar function. Then you can start this meeting by going to Start This Meeting. You can save it as a meeting template. In any case, you can check that you've set it up correctly and wait for the time when you need to start the meeting. If you choose to copy the invitation and send it by email, you can just select Copy the Invitation, and you can see that there is an automatic email with some text about your Zoom meeting. You can select Copy Meeting Invitation, and then you can just copy that into your email. Let's look at what will happen once you have a link from Zoom and you need to go into the meeting. So you will see that you see something launching, and you might have to click here to launch the meeting, or you might have to download and run Zoom. If you haven't used Zoom before, it will download a package. Just click Download and Run Zoom, and don't worry, you will be allowed to be the administrator of the Zoom package even if you don't have administrator privileges on your laptop. You can just bypass the administrator screen, just close it, and then you'll be able to download and run Zoom. If you're hosting the meeting, go back to zoom.us. You do this when you would like to start your meeting. Then sign in. In this case, I've signed in with Google, and you can see the meeting that you've previously set up. It's under Previous Meetings. So now you're in the meeting that you've previously set up. You can just click on Start This Meeting. As you haven't used Zoom.us before, it hasn't yet downloaded onto your system, you will see this. This is completely normal. From this screen, select Download and Run Zoom. In this case, I'm not working on my work laptop, I'm working on an Apple Mac, so I'm just showing you the process. Okay, so once you've successfully downloaded Zoom, you will see that you have this little screen, New Meeting, Join, Schedule, Share Screen, and Call a Room. So you can also chat, you can view your meetings, that is the scheduled meetings, and you can go to Contact. If you are the host and you would like to start the meeting that you've scheduled earlier, go to Meetings and go to Start. And from there, you will see that you can see yourself and that you can see all the features that you've set up in Zoom. So you can see whether your microphone has been muted or not. In my case, it's not muted. You can stop or start your video. You can invite people to the meeting if you like. You can manage your participants. This is the screen where you will be asked to invite anyone if there's anyone in the waiting room. You can also do polling. You can type a question. You can share your screen. I won't do that now, that's too confusing. You can chat. You can pause or stop the recording. As you can see, it's automatically recording. You can use closed captions. And there's some more as well, such as breakout rooms. I'll cover breakout rooms in a different video. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to end that meeting. Thank you.